This is the FreeSpace DS100 loudspeaker, the premier high-performance, full-range solution from the FreeSpace DS family. It's purpose-built for spaces where you need powerful foreground sound. Sound with smooth, even coverage and impactful bass down to 60 Hz, even in a fully packed room. Each DS100 loudspeaker is built around a 5¼ woofer that's housed in a specially engineered ported enclosure. And 2¼ twiddler drivers deliver up to 180-degree coverage for room-filling sound. Like all DS loudspeakers, the DS100 has an integrated transformer with an easy-to-access tap wheel for 70-volt, 100-volt, and 8-ohm settings. The DS100 SE model can be used indoors or outdoors, and both versions of surface-mount DS100 loudspeakers are tested to meet most local code requirements and backed by a 5-year limited warranty. In addition, DS100 loudspeakers share voicing and design aesthetics with other FreeSpace loudspeakers, so you can meet the performance requirements for nearly any space. The DS100 SE surface mount loudspeaker comes in black or white with an integrated mounting bracket for easy installation. Unique to DS100 SE is our proprietary articulated array, delivering a full 180 degrees of coverage. To drive DS loudspeakers, FreeSpace amplifiers simplify the installation with a range of models and options to fit nearly any situation. And we can even help you put it all together. With the Business Music System Designer, just enter your room dimensions and it does the rest. Discover how FreeSpace DS100 loudspeakers can bring your system designs to life with impact, clarity, and wide, even coverage. For product specs, accessory information, and more helpful videos, visit pro.bose.com.